So, world first Netflix restaurant just opened in LA, and it's a pop-up restaurant, and you can visit this restaurant during the summer. So let's go and check out this place, and let's see what can we get at this place. So I heard this restaurant has Netflix food from your favorite TV show. So babe, who's your favorite chef?
I have no idea, I don't watch Netflix.
Why?
But I love the girl, she makes pizza, definitely. I would try her pizza. This place is called Netflix Bites, and it's open pretty much in the lobby of a small boutique hotel next to a farmer's market. So it's a cool tourist destination here. And as we were told, it's a collaboration of Curtis Stone, who is a Michelin, 3 Michelin star chef, and here's represents 6 chefs. So you have entree, you have dinner menu, and you have some pastries, and you have some chocolate cakes. So we'll try some small bites of everything. Maybe we'll try pizza, and yeah, all of them are stars of Netflix shows. Don't know what to expect, and I hope it's really good. I mean, the setting is really nice. It's very LA vibe, you know, you just chill here. It's hot, it's summer, and yeah.
And we have seating inside and outside. Especially for me, I prefer to sit outside because right now it's summer, it's perfect weather, and also they have firewood pizza. So it's made here outside as well.
I decided that we'll probably go with the wood fried lamb ribs.
Okay.
And so we'll have this pizza then, wood fried lamb ribs. And that's it for now, we'll try these two.
What do you think? How good this food for a pop-up restaurant?
I have no idea.
I mean, if you open for 3 months, you can probably do whatever you want because you're closed soon.
I'm melting. It's so hot here.
And so this is the lamb rib from fire, wood, and it's made by Michelin chef Curtis Stone. So let me try. Yeah, look. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. Look at this. Look, it smells in my mouth. Oh my god. So, and here you go, our Asian style pizza, and let me get one piece. Look, oh my gosh, crust is so crispy. This pizza with pork, with some vegetables and something else. So let's try. A little spicy, but not that bad. So, and of course this pizza feature in the show, so yeah, if you wanna try something from Netflix, it's the right time. And here we go, our dessert, and today we're gonna do this guy, so yeah. First of all, we probably
So these are your ingredients?
Yeah, this is my ingredients. So we put this foam. Yeah.
This is not an eye.
It's an eye.
It's a cat.
No, it's eye. It's a second eye. You see? I have.
Supposed to be here.
Oh my gosh, yeah. In blood. Yeah, bloody clown. Yeah, it's like perfect job. Rare?
Yeah, you nailed that one.
Almost the same.
So, are you happy with the result?
It's perfect. So let's try. I like start like from this like right eye. Oh, I'll kill them.
Wait a second. I don't know about this one. No one says I don't know about this one.
Look at this. It's like an egg. Yeah, it's a cream inside, and you know, like, yeah, it's really good actually.
But usually it's not my job, but this cafe has a small dirty secret. Just look at this. It's all stained.
Yeah, the prices here is like reasonable, like $25, like lamb ribs, and like pizza $27. Yeah. Absolutely love this place. Food is so delicious, like, and the presentation is good, especially this dessert. Like, you have a lot of fun here. And also look at this place. It's nice, good. Like, yeah, definitely recommend it to try if you are in LA. Go to this place because like it's a limited time. You have to try. See you next time.